Hello, Daisy. Daisy, can you hear me?
Yes.
Oh, hi.
Hello.
You are not at home. Where are you?
I am in cafe because I went to academy.
Oh, you are very busy today. Did you have a
Yes.
test? Did you have a test at your academy?
No, I didn't. When I didn't go to Math academy in Saturday, so I went now.
Oh, I see. Okay. Oh, you are very busy this week. Okay, Daisy, are you tired or are you okay?
I'm okay.
Good. What time are you going to sleep?
I will sleep at like yesterday. I slept at like 11 o'clock.
11 o'clock, that's so late.
Yeah.
11 o'clock, maybe you cannot get enough sleep. I don't get enough sleep. I must go to bed maybe 9 o'clock or 10 o'clock. And then I get good sleep.
Teacher,
Yes.
I maybe I could you could not hear my voice very well because the here cafe sound is noisy. Sorry.
Oh, that's okay. I can hear you very well. Can you hear me okay?
Yes.
Am I speaking to everyone or do you have earphones?
I don't have earphone, but there is almost like 2 or 3 people.
Okay, so can they hear me?
No, they are far away.
That's okay. They can listen. They can have a English class too. All right, Daisy. Tell me, I know you are not at home, so we cannot do the YouTube thing, but did you try upload or not yet?
Not yet.
Okay, that's okay. Whenever you have time. All right, Daisy. We are having our Zoom class. Can you tell me why are we doing this Zoom class? Why do you have Zoom class? What's the point?
To practice how to speak with like
Exactly, to practice to speak English. Can you say for me, we have these classes to practice speaking English?
we have these classes be to learn how to speak English.
Well, not to learn, you already know how to speak. It's to practice. To practice. Okay, so actually there's some animals around the world, birds specifically, parrots specifically, that they don't have Zoom classes, but they have Zoom calls. They have video calls with each other. It's a little bit strange. Look at this. Tell me, are you using your phone?
I am using the notebook.
Oh, so it's big, so you can see it nice?
Yes.
Okay, what can you see on your screen?
A white parrot.
A white parrot that is looking at a phone. Or maybe it's looking at a tablet. It's a little bit strange. Can you read for me? Parrots kept as pets.
Parrot kept as pets were
Taught.
taught to video call each other and they loved it.
Okay, so this parrot is on a video call.
Wow.
What about this parrot? What is this parrot doing?
He's
He's looking at another parrot. He's also on a video call. Can you say for me? This parrot is on a video call.
This parrot is on the video call.
What about this parrot?
He is on the video call.
How about this one?
It is on the video call.
What about this parrot?
It is on the video call.
And here is the last parrot. What is this parrot doing?
He is doing video call.
He is on a video call. The parrot is on a video call. Now my question to you is, why? Why are these parrots on video calls? What's the point of that? There are 3 reasons. Can you try?
Because they are lonely.
Very good. Yes, they are lonely. So in their house, in their cage, there is no other birds. There is no other parrots. So they are lonely. And what does the owner do to make them not lonely?
They are the parents are lonely, so the owner make make video call.
Okay, good. So this is a solution. The video call is a solution to the problem. Now, these birds, they are lonely, so we can say they like to be around other birds. They like to be around other parrots. So they are social animals.
What is social?
Social means they don't like to be alone. They don't like to be alone. Daisy, I like to be around other people. I don't like to be alone. So I am social. What about you?
Social too.
Good. So that means you don't like to be alone. You like to be with friends, with family. You like to be around other people. Parrots are the same. They don't like to be lonely. They don't like to be alone. They like to be social. Number 2.
They want to meet new friends.
Okay, good. That's the same as number 1. They are social. So, number 2 is they want to feel good emotional feelings. They want to feel good emotional feelings. What is an emotional feeling? Emotional feelings are happiness, sadness, excitement, anger. These are feelings. But what are good emotional feelings? Happiness and excitement. Yeah, these birds, they like to feel happy. They like to feel excited. Did you ever see a parrot dancing?
Parrot dancing?
Yeah, to some music. They listen to music and they dance.
Never.
You never saw. Okay. So, how do they feel good feelings? When they see other birds. And this is the solution with a video call. And the last one. They are smart animals, Daisy. They are intelligent. So they are smart animals. They are capable. They can do it. they are capable of having these video calls. Do you think parrots are smart?
Yes.
Do you think they are intelligent?
Intelligent is what?
Intelligent means they are smart. Intelligent is
Yeah.
smart. Not every animal can have a Zoom or a video call. You have a pet. Do you think your dog can have a video call?
I think no.
I think no. So what about a cat? Do you think a cat can have a video call?
I don't know because I don't have any cats, but I think they're similar to dogs, so no.
Okay, good. Very good answer. But these parrots, they are a little bit intelligent and they can focus for a little bit. They can focus for a short time. And so they have these video calls. Daisy, your and my video call. How long is this class?
50 minutes?
How long?
30?
30 minutes. It is 30 minutes. How long?
My class time is 15 minutes and I am literally confused.
That's okay. But if our class is 30 minutes, how long do you think these birds are on the video call for? How long is their video call?
Mm, 10 minutes?
Okay, good guess. It's less than hours, but it's even shorter than 10 minutes. 5
5
minutes. Yes, it is 5 minutes long. Why? Why so short?
Because they can focus only short time.
Exactly. After 5 minutes they lose interest. After 5 minutes they are bored and they are doing something else. Daisy,
Yes?
it looks like you said you are at a cafe. What about something to drink or something to eat, a snack? Ah, you already have. What is it? Let me guess. Let me guess. Can I see one more time the color? You are drinking a cafe latte. Maybe you are drinking a vanilla milkshake.
Oh, it tastes like that.
It tastes like vanilla milkshake, so maybe vanilla milk? What is it?
I don't know real name, but I think it is a vanilla milkshake.
Oh, maybe I am right. Maybe it was a vanilla milkshake. I love vanilla. My favorite is vanilla ice cream. And actually when I was in South Africa, I would take vanilla ice cream from the tub, from the box. I put it into my cup and I would melt the ice cream and then pour a little bit of milk, normal milk, and then I would drink that. And it's like a milkshake, but vanilla flavored milkshake.
I can try it.
You can try. What's your favorite flavor milkshake?
My favorite flavor of milkshake is I'm I didn't eat every type of milkshake, but I like the vanilla milkshake too.
You like the vanilla one. I like. Ask me.
Hmm?
Ask me what's my favorite.
What is your favorite flavor of milkshake?
Know of. What is your favorite flavor milkshake?
What is your favorite flavor
My favorite is I like coffee milkshake. Coffee is delicious, and I like a choco milkshake. The chocolate flavor is also really good. All right, good. Now let's see the next one. Before we go to the next one, Daisy, quickly, what was the first article about?
It was about the parrot is doing video call
Why?
because they are lonely.
Okay, so there were three reasons why. What were those three reasons? Bless you.
Number one is they are social animals, and number two is they want to feel emotional feelings, and number three is they are smart.
They are smart, they are intelligent. Good. Okay, the next article is about cars, that there is a fuel car and an electric car. What car do your parents drive? Fuel or electric?
My parents drive fuel car.
Okay, so the fuel car, how do they when the fuel is getting lower and lower and lower and it's about to get empty, what do your parents do? How do they put more fuel?
My parents go to the place that they can put some fuel.
What's that place called?
To use
The petrol station.
petrol station.
The petrol station. Go to the petrol station, you can buy more fuel. But what if it is an electric car, Daisy? If it's an electric car, quickly, what's the difference between fuel and electric?
Electronic car need electricity, and the fuel car need fuel.
Good. So now you said we go to the petrol station to get more fuel. How do we, when the battery of an electric car is running low, how can we charge the battery? How can we
They
get?
can go to the parking place, and they can. There is a place to get electricity in the mart parking place, and we can go there and
Okay,
get
good.
electricity.
So they need to take the cable and connect the cable to the car. Right? Can you say for me? Connect the cable to the car.
We connect the cable with the car.
So it's not wireless. It's with a cable, it's with a wire. So there is some new technology that is allowing wireless recharging. Have you seen there is some wireless phone charging? So what happens is you put the phone on the wireless.
My dad has like car, and they need battery because he need to see the way to go like camping place, and he can do like if he put his cell phone near that wireless battery,
Wireless charger.
wireless charging, and that literally opens and put inside, and that hold the phone, and they give the battery.
Very very good. So I'm glad you have seen this. You have seen this. This is new technology. It's really cool. Really, really new technology. All right, Daisy. That's the end of today's class. We only had time for 2 articles and we didn't even see the second article. That's okay. Do you have any questions for me?
Did you eat dinner?
No, I will eat dinner after class. I will
What will you eat?
I will eat. Maybe you can help me make a decision because I'm thinking, should I eat bulgogi toppap or should I eat dongas? Which one do you think is better?
Yesterday lunch menu was donkas, so I prefer to eat bulgogi tteokbap.
Okay, so I will thank you for your help, Daisy. I will choose bulgogi toppap. I will have bulgogi toppap. Thank you. Okay, have a good evening, Daisy.
Bye bye.
See you next time. Bye.